Hello guys, welcome to Magical Drawing Adventure where you guys can learn and having fun with drawing. Alright, in today's video we're going to draw a corn, alright? So let's jump to the paper together. Okay guys, so at the beginning I need you to make a curved line like this. So you can follow me like this. So from here, like this, then this is like just mirroring the shape like this. Alright, and then after that you can have the leaves of the corn. So start from here. So from this I will make a dot, so it's easier for you to follow. This dot, and then the last one is around this dot, right? So this dot is 1 2 3, right? So from here you have to make line like this, connect to this, then connect to this, right? And then after that you can have a similar line like this, like curved line like this. So I have a dot here, and then I have a dot here, right? So you can go like this way. So from here like this, then connect to this dot, right? After that you go to this dot like this. All right, perfect. After that you can have other leaves here, so you can go to something like this. So from here, so I make from here to here and then to here. So from here like this, curved line like this, right? Just connect this way all the way down, then like this, then give a little bit curve here, the same as before, so like this, right? After that you can give a variation, so have another leaves here like this. All right, and then after that at the back here, at the bottom here, you make like this. All right, perfect, right? Then after that, the fun part, you need to make eyes. So I will give eyes here, the big one like this one, and then two. All right, then just give a small circle inside here, and then small circle inside here. So you give the black color like this. Enjoy your process, guys. Don't forget to enjoy your coloring, your drawing, and everything, because practice is everything. And the very important thing is you enjoy the process, right? So right, it's almost done, the eyes. Then after that you give the mouth here, cute mouth, right? Then okay, all right, I will speed up the video of the coloring process, then you can follow the coloring process. All right, let's go. Alright guys, this is the final result of the corn. So hope you guys learning something today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you again in the next video. See you guys.